Hey guys, I am coming to you today from the world headquarters of HVAC Reefer Guy here in Phoenix, Arizona. And today we're going to be testing a new product. May not be new to you, it's new to me. And that is these dry tablets from the guys from Ken over at CoolAir products. And Ken Lazarchuk asked me to look at some of the dry tablets from Cool products, and here's a company, you can see it right there in the bottom. Now this product is a little different than most. It is a condenser coil cleaner, and they make it in a vat coil cleaner, but this is the size of it, and this will treat about 1 gallon of water. This one tablet will be 1 gallon of water. Now if you're doing a couple of gallons, you're going to need 2 tablets. If you have a large Hudson sprayer, you're going to need about 2 tablets. But you know what the thing about it is that this tablet right here, it breaks apart in water. There's an effervescence action. It breaks apart and it mixes well. So let's say that you've got a service body or a van where you've got a lot of chemicals on the inside and you can't take and carry more chemicals. You can't carry a liquid chemical. Maybe there's an MSDS problem with other materials inside the van or the truck, and a dry tablet, a dry powder may be for you. So this would work great for you. Really can see the DeWalt logo there, can't you? And this would work great for you. And you know what? This is a great product that you may want to try. The cool thing about this is it is an alkaline tablet. This is a condenser coil cleaner. It's significant degreasing and purifying power. It easily dissolves in water. Keeps the service van clean or service truck clean. There's less storage space in the vehicle. It works on all types of coils. There's no hazardous waste, and it's non-caustic. So you know what, this product right here may really be a cool product for you guys. Now, if let's say that you're in a location where you're having to pass through maybe the spot where there's a hot works permit, and maybe somebody's freaked out about having chemicals in a container, then this is for you. Now for me, I really like liquid coil cleaners. I've been a longtime supporter of other companies out there that make some fantastic products. But this right here really could be something for you guys that don't want to have the spills, or are tired of the spills of chemicals or something like that. Or maybe you've just got so much room in your damn truck and your damn van that maybe they've got so much room that these tablets may be the way to go, because you don't have room for 1 gallon bottles. There could be any number of reasons for you to want to try out this tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and put on not my goggles, but my gloves. And anytime that you're working around chemicals, you should really be using your gloves. Now, even though on the packaging it says it's non-toxic or non-caustic, it's still, you know what, I don't know what's going to happen, and I want to be able to have my gloves. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to put this front piece down. I'm going to put Ken's card down right here. We're going to move that stuff out of the way. We're going to move my glasses out of the way. We're going to go ahead now. I do everything live. If you guys not live, but I don't edit anything. That's why you don't see any stops in the picture. I just go for it live. Whatever happens, happens. I kind of prefer it that way. So you guys ready to go? So automatically you can really start to see it breaking apart. And that's that effervescent action that's going on as it's dissolving. Now again, one tablet is rated for 1 gallon of water. And this is probably more than 1 gallon, maybe 2 gallons of water. But honestly, I want to be able to see what's going on, you know, inside this glass fishbowl. I want to see what's going on inside this glass fishbowl. So I overdid the water a little bit. I put a little bit more water in it because I want to see honestly what's going on, and I want to see that effervescent action of what's happening inside the glass and what's going on inside the tablet. So again, you know, you guys have seen me doing all sorts of testing before. I'm going to take this wooden paint stick. We're going to try to get this wooden paint stick over next to it so we can push it. So you can really see doing what it's doing. You can really see it break apart. Now, if time is of the essence, and let's say it's like, man, dude, I got to get a coil cleaning in and out, and I got to get in on the rooftop doing what you got to do. You can see what's going on here. This has probably been about a minute, maybe 45 seconds, and it's not completely broke apart. then you know what, this may not be for you. This product may not be for you, and you may want to stick with your liquid coil cleaner, which, you know, if you direct message me, or if you want to get a hold of me, the best thing, you can leave comments on here on the YouTube side of it, or you can email me at hvacreeferguy, HVACREFER guy, GUI at gmail.com, and I'll answer the questions and we can discuss back and forth. But, you know, you can leave your comments, like I said, as well on YouTube, and if you guys know anything, I'm really fast to respond. I check my YouTube constantly. I want to make sure that you get the answers. The one thing I hate is following people. You post a question and you never get an answer. So I always make sure to answer everybody as fast as I can. So this is really something that's definitely cool for you. You can see what's happening inside here. It's still coming up with an effervescence. It's really bubbling up. It's doing quite well. But here we are probably 2 minutes in and we're still not done. So maybe this is something where you like the tablet, you put the tablet inside your van, you go down to, you're getting ready to go up on the roof, you get your water filled up, and then you put this inside the Hudson sprayer or whatever pumps type sprayer that you're using, and you get it ready to go so that when you get on the roof, it's already completed and it's already done. Maybe that's a better direction for you, and you've still got that safety factor going on inside your van as far as keeping liquids. If this is not for you, again, and you need to do a coil cleaning that's pretty quick, you know, you've got tons of space inside your van, you're not worrying about an MSDS, and I'm watching it right here, you can see it right there, and I'm watching it right there, and it's been a few minutes now and it's still not broken apart, then you know that this may be something for you. So, you know, there's a plus and minus, there's a good and bad with everything. I like the size of it. I like the fact that I don't have to worry about it spilling over inside the van. When I buy these, they come in a cup, they come in a container. I'm not sure how many come. I want to say maybe a dozen, maybe more, maybe less, that's inside a container. But, you know, we can get a hold of Ken over at CoolAir Products. I'll get you that website as that is going on and doing its thing, and you're going to want to get a hold of Ken. Sorry about that. Sorry about grabbing onto the microphone. You can get a hold of them over at CoolAir Products, www.coolair, COOLAIR, products.net, coolairproducts.net. And if you have any questions for me about this, and maybe they're not getting back to you, or hey, you know what, I got a question, or you know, some of the videos that I've done, you can get a hold of me through HVACreeferguy at gmail.com. That's HVACreeferguy@gmail.com. Now it's still breaking apart. We're probably 4 minutes plus in. Let me see what it's doing. We'll push this guy up. We'll push him up to see. You can see it's really got a lot left in there. I would love to be able to break them apart. But you know what? That guy's pretty solid, man. He's pretty solid. He's pretty solid. So, you know, it's still doing what it needs to do. For me, I don't think that this is a win or a lose. I think it's got a great product. I think there's some applications. It's a little too slow for my tastes, but you know what? I could definitely see where if I was in a small minivan or a smaller van, maybe like in the UK, or you're a maintenance tech that you didn't have a big service van, you had more of a maintenance room, or let's say you worked at a hospital and they didn't like you to keep liquid coil cleaners, or a university where they didn't want you to keep liquid coil cleaners, then this is definitely the way for you. This is the application that you're going to want to turn to. For me, I like to be able to pour my chemicals in. I like to get what I need to do. I like to put it in my coil sprayer or my coil gun. I like to get up on the roof and get my coil cleaning done. And I like to get it done and get it over with. But you know, I worked at a hospital for 8 years, and I could definitely see this in an application in a hospital. My maintenance room for the AC side was next to an big electrical room. And I could see that maybe they wouldn't want to keep electricity, static charge, something like that, near chemicals. So I could see that maybe this would be a good product. So you know what, there's a win for it. Today, it's right now not really doing what I was hoping that it was going to do, but it's also doing exactly what it's designed to do. And so there's no fault in that either. You can really see it breaking apart. Let's see what's going on. We'll put that stick back inside. You can really see it breaking apart right there. It's doing all the things that it needs to do. Yep, definitely doing what it needs to do. And it's breaking apart. And, you know, probably in another 10 minutes or so, it'll be ready to go. So again, this is from CoolAir Products. CoolAir Products. Thanks, Ken Lazarchak. Ken Lazarchak is the vice president. And they can be reached at www.coolairproducts.net. And if you need to get a hold of me for any reason, you can get a hold of me through HVAC Reefer Guy at gmail.com. And so work safe, be safe, be good humans to each other. I appreciate everybody. We're going to let this guy continue to fizz. If you want me to find out, or you want to find out how long it took to break apart, I might put a little update or a little something in the comments. Be good humans to each other. I appreciate everything that you're doing for me. And you know what? We all live on the same earth. We all breathe the same air, and we all walk on the same dirt. So we appreciate you guys. Be kind to each other. Until next time.